Nomad is back with their latest wireless charger, the base station stand. Welcome everyone. It is Andrew here from AppleInsider, and this is the base station stand, the latest wireless charger from Nomad. Nomad makes some incredibly popular wireless chargers, and we feature them many times here on the channel and on AppleInsider. This new model is a simple, stripped-down version that allows you to charge one device. Inside of the box itself, you're going to find the actual base station stand. You're going to find a USB-C cable, a nicer premium model of a USB-C cable, an actual USB-C power brick, or rather a USB-A power brick to connect to that USB-C to USB-A cable. And then underneath this piece of paper here, we have a few different adapters. Inside of the box, the EU and UK international adapters are included. And if it's shipped to Australia, the Australia adapter will also be included. Any of those adapters will easily fit onto the end of this 18-watt USB-A power brick. Not only does that make it a little bit easier for Nomad to ship this thing around the world, but it is also easier for you. If you travel with this thing a lot, you want to go abroad and you want to bring your wireless charger with you, this is a pretty solid option. It doesn't fold completely flat or anything, but it is very well designed and should hold up well as it's just chucked in a piece of luggage. So aside from the USB-A power brick, we have a USB-A to USB-C power cable. This is a very long cable, which is great if you have to thread this around a lot of stuff by your nightstand or around your desk. It's a premium cable, as in it's nylon wrapped and it feels very solid, but it is not up to par to the other Nomad cables that we've seen. It doesn't have the metal overmolds on the end. It's just a better than average cable, but it's not as nice as the current line of Nomad USB-C cables. Then again, it's not really going anywhere, so it probably doesn't need that whole Kevlar reinforcement and the metal overmolds. The charger itself is very sleek. The back is covered with that Horween leather that we see all the time. The bottom has a silicone footprint there, so it's nice and easy for your devices to rest on. The whole thing is very slim. It's made out of metal. It feels very nice, very premium as far as wireless charger goes. On the bottom, there's a non-slip silicone ring around the outside, so this is not going to fall off your table. There's a good amount of weight to it anyway, as is, but the silicone ring is really just going to help make sure it stays put. Now, you can charge this with any USB-C cable or any USB-C port, but you do need to make sure you at least got that 18 watts of power to get that full 10 watts of charging speed if you have a device that supports that. If you're an iPhone user, you don't have to worry as much. Now, this can charge your AirPods. There are two different coils in the back of this charger, which means it'll work with your AirPods and wireless charging case. It'll support the AirPods Pro too, just not when you put it straight down. It's going to need a little booster chair to set up high enough to reach that coil, or you can just pivot it sideways and get it charged that way. You'll easily know when it's charging because that little light on the front of the AirPods case, as well as the small light on the front of the charger itself. Now, that light can be a bit annoying at times. I know a lot of people hate having that light there, but in one of Nomad's most understated features, there is a small ambient light sensor on the back of the charger itself. When you cover that, you'll notice that light gets darker and lighter. So when the room is dark, that light will dim very low and it's not going to be as obnoxious. And when it's bright in the room, that light's going to brighten up so you can actually be able to see it. It's a brilliant idea, and I really wish more companies would take advantage of that. Because there are two coils in the back of this wireless charger, it allows your phone to charge in both orientations, portrait as well as landscape. Great for kicking back and watching some videos and charging your phone at the same time. If you have an iPhone, this does support 7.5 watts of fast charge. The Nomad base station stand is a simple, elegant, powerful wireless charger for your phone. If you want to grab one, you can follow the link down below in the description and let me know what you think on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. Hey everyone, did you guys like that video? Be sure to click on that like button so we can create content that we know that you guys want to see. And follow AppleInsider on all social media channels. If you want the best prices on any Apple gear, check out the AppleInsider price guide that is updated daily. And until next time, we'll see you later.